Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys all the Happy Mail that I made for the Happy Mail patrons over in my Crafty Club. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a bunch here. It's kind of intense. Let's start off with this pocket letter. So this one is super cute. I love how it turned out. I used a lot of Maggie Holmes in these Happy Mails, so you will see some shine because I have that paper pad. I believe a lot of the ephemera and stuff is from Shine as well. So this is what this one looks like. I think it's super cute. I love this whole little situation happening up here with the cluster and the little crafty thing. I think it's so fun. So I made that one. You guys have seen this pocket letter before. I did do a video on this not too long ago, and I'll link it down below so you can check it out if you want to see how this all came together. I think it's really cute. I went ahead and added some seed beads here to the front, and yeah, I think it's really pretty. I also have this bag flip here. I decided to keep this one just really simple and plain, and then I put in a little tag kit here in the front. So these are really fun. I figured if the Crafty Club members want to make their own little layered embellished tags and kind of get an idea of how this whole thing works, that they could make their own. So I punched out some tags, and then on the back I prepared little strips that they can layer however they want. So I think that's really fun, and I hope that they get a kick out of making those. They would be really fun, like embellishments. You could continue to layer things on them, maybe put some tiny word stickers or include them as goodies in their own Happy Mails. And then there's also some journaling cards in here with some fun phrases, some alpha stickers, and then, what is this? Note cards. So yeah, so that is that one. This bag flip is super cute. Here you can see I added a lot more decorative elements to this layered background, and I found that it just covered it up a little bit too much, so that's why in the previous one I left it a little bit more bare. But I think this is super cute. I love how it turned out. I used up some of the Dear Lizzie Stargazer chipboards that I used last month. There are some journaling cards here in the front, and then I packed in a bunch of stuff here inside. So there's some more journaling cards and die cuts, a pack of stickers, another pack of stickers, a set of Maggie Holmes stickers, and then I thought it would be fun to send out a little DIY pocket letter kit for my patrons this month. So I have just the basic setup here, and then on the back I included some things that they could use to create their pocket letter and finish it off and be able to send it away to someone else if they want it. So I thought that was kind of fun, and hopefully they enjoy that. So there is a little bag flip. I also made this little mini folio. I think this is one of my favorite things I've made this month. I think it turned out so cute. So yeah, so there's just a lot of stuff in here. So there's layering, there's lots of little tags and things. So if the person wants to put pictures on the backs or whatever, lots of journaling, they can. Here you can see a larger version of that layered tag. This is what gave me the idea to make the little tag kits. There's some more kind of layering happening here. It's just fun. Always love some good layering. And then in here, what's in here? I forget. So there's a lot of layering happening in here. And then here's a little mini tag, and then one for journaling if they want to add any journaling they can. So I think that's really fun. And then I just kept the back a little bit blank, and then they can write in whatever they want here. And actually I forgot to do some baker's twine around this. I'm gonna do this part real fast because I forgot. So I learned how to make these little folios from my friend Serena, so I will leave a link to her tutorial down below. She likes to use hot glue to glue on the string or the ribbon or whatever. I have a love-hate relationship with my hot glue gun, so I prefer not to use it if I don't have to. And I think these little bows are really cute anyway, so I think it's fine. So we got that, super adorbs. I also happened to make a little traveler's notebook because I think that's super cute. So that will go in one of the packages. Here I have another bag flip. I think this one is really cute. This comes out, can be journaled on or whatever. And then this little tag actually comes out as well, which I think is really fun. Kind of a fun little hidden detail. And then inside I have one of those pocket letter kits, some more Maggie Holmes stickers, and a tag kit. So that is this one, and I love the layering on this one. I think this one I kept a nice balance of decor on the front so that you could still see quite a bit of the layering here. Yeah, and I love this whole little cluster up here. I think that's really fun. You guys have seen this pocket letter here on the channel already as well. This was from my collab with my friend Jenny. So I will leave a link to this video down below in the description so you guys can check it out. But I think it's really cute. I love how it turned out. It's very vibrant and fun, and I hope the person who gets this really enjoys it. I did add some sparkly bits here in the center because they went perfectly. Why not? So fun. Or maybe I did that on the video. I can't remember. I think I might have. But anyway, it's super cute. I love it. And then the last Happy Mail I made was this envelope flip book. I think it is super cute and I love how this turned out. This is one of my favorite projects I made in a while. So again, I used that same textured background. I was really enjoying that this month apparently. And then this big die cut here that says best day ever. So my thought was that the recipient could turn this into like a mini album for like a day trip or a weekend trip or something, because I just think it would be perfect. So the best portion of your life will be the small nameless moments you spend with someone who matters to you. So maybe things, you know, they go on adventures or whatever and they want to document in here. Or alternatively, there are also these cut aparts that say January, you know, February, March, and so on throughout the year. I did add some stickers to the backs, but I was also thinking as an alternative, if the person wanted to write down some journaling from the month or add a picture from the month or something on there, that'd be really cool to document the year. Or like if they go out and have a special date night every month or something, they could document it like that. So that's kind of what the rest of this album is kind of like, I suppose. So I did include more of these dates, so it's good for the whole year. Piece of scrap paper, journal card, you know, so if they want to use these for something else and do whatever they want with this, it's totally fine. I just like to give options, you know. Oh, and I did decorate the little panel a lot too, kind of behind the things, so it's a little fun surprise when you pull stuff out. And then here is a little tuck spot back here, again with more of those cut aparts, and that's a sticker I layered back there. This is a really fun idea, like in those big like American Crafts sticker books that have like the planner square stickers, layer them behind stuff because they work really well for that if you don't do like the full-on planning thing. Oh, here's the little embellishment tag thing. I just stuck that in there. So this little frame is still on the plastic so that the person can take it off, put their actual picture behind there, and then be able to stick it down if they want. So I thought that'd be kind of nice. And then over here, again, we have a little tag, and then October, November, and I like these little reveals. I think they're really cute. Yeah. So that was really easy to create using some scraps. Added a few little jummies here and there, not too crazy. And this is the finished envelope flip book. So I think that turned out really nice. I did a little bit of decor here on the back. And that is it for all the Happy Mails that I made this month for the Crafty Club members in my Patreon. So I do mix and match these things, like not all of this is going to one person, and some people are getting, you know, a couple smaller things or one bigger thing or whatever. So I do try and kind of make things different for each person and tailor it to what they like and what they enjoy receiving. But if you're interested in joining the Crafty Club, you can do so down below. There is a link in the description bar. You don't have to join at the Happy Mail level if you don't want to, but for as little as $2 a month, you help support PopFizzPaper and help keep me creating content for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!